Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Facebook account if you see a message saying we don't recognize your device. So without any delay, let's get started. First, open any browser and search for report a login issue on Google. Click on the first link that appears. You'll see a form where you can provide details to help Facebook resolve the issue. Now enter your email address and in the description box describe the issue. Make sure you mention your account name and birth date. Next, upload a screenshot showing the problem. Once everything is filled out, click Next and then Submit. That's it. Facebook will review your report and reach out via email to help solve the issue. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.